It's a wet start to the Mudgee Classic 2023. I'm at the event village for the Saturday, putting my penny on display. Hopefully the rain eases by tomorrow for tomorrow's 35k ride. Fingers crossed. Shout out to Fisiocrem for letting me borrow their marquee for today, because they're not using it until tomorrow to keep me out of the wet weather. So today's event is going to be the Dirty Mudgee, a ride on gravel. It's going to be a bit yucky and muddy because of the rain. I'm glad I'm not riding in that event. So the gravel event is 55 kilometres of almost 700 metres of climbing. So hopefully it's not too muddy and sloshy for them.
I thought you'd have a demo one. We do have a demo one. Yeah. Reactive. So we're on this ride, yeah. Yeah.
So we're only about 8 minutes away to the start. I've got the two best dressed here. Looks like Bert and Ernie here.
Everyone knows about the road rules, so just keep those in mind. Stick to those so there's no incidents. That way we'll reflect positively on the event.
The roads are open, so keep left as much as possible and look out for oncoming cars. 3, 2, 1, showtime! Woo! Welcome to Muddy Mudgee. Have a great ride.
Good luck, everyone!
The inaugural Mudgee Dirty Classic. Woo! Jaffa! Woo! What a great day in Mudgee for the inaugural Classic. Have a great ride. Good luck. Have a great ride, buddy. Good luck. See you later. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's showtime here in Mudgee. Woo! Good luck. Woo! Have a great ride. I hope you get filthy dirty. Good luck. Handlebar bag.
Well, she's my safety backup, so I'm happy she's carrying it. She's got safety stuff in there.
She must have a wheelchair in there, a bed in there, yeah, everything's in there. You've won. You've got the 3 votes for biggest front handlebar bag, because that is massive. I could probably go in there and ride it with you.
3, 2, 1.
Showtime here in Mudgee. Let's go! Woo! The best group is always the last.
Good luck, guys!
Right. Don't run me over.
Stay clean!
Oh my goodness! How did I miss that? Good luck! All the best, have a great ride! Good luck, buddy! Good luck, mate! Good luck, mate! Smile! See you, mate, good luck! Oh.
See you at the finish line! So that was the start of the Dirty Mudgee 55k. Wish all the riders well. Hope they don't get too wet and muddy. And I'll see them at the finish line. Awesome effort. First rider back from the gravel event. You're not even that muddy. You're not even that muddy. just a little bit. That was about 1 3/4 hours. Pretty good for 55k's in these conditions.
At a time of 1 hour and 45 minutes and 21 seconds.
This is number 2.
Well done, Tim.
Woo! Fantastic effort. Good on you.
Third and fourth, bang, bang, across the line they go. Ladies and gentlemen, we're cheering for DMB. Bang!
Third and fourth. Woo! Good job! First female.
Congratulations, JA.
Congrats on being the first female. Brilliant effort. Good on you. Congrats for being second female.
Well done, buddy. Congratulations, mate. Well done, buddy. HK. Well done, Harry.
It's 2 1/4 hours now, so quite a few are coming back. All wet and muddy.
Oh, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Mike Summer is here. Iron Mike Summer. Well done, buddy. You're filthy.
Woo! Rain still relentless at Glen Willow. Cloudy, pouring all day. Just hope it's better for the Sunday. Just look at that mud on the back. That's a rainy day to the Saturday, so it's the end of the Dirty Mudgee 55k. Hopefully tomorrow the sun will be shining and less rain, but we'll see what happens. So next week will be the actual 35k Mudgee Classic social. So thanks for watching this event village video. See you next time. Woo! Congratulations!
I thought you'd have a demo one. We do have a demo one. Yeah. We're reactive. So we're on in this ride, yeah.
3, 2, 1, showtime here in Mudgee! Woo! Where else would you want to be but Mudgee? Good luck, have a great ride.